What's the first thing that comes in your mind when you hear about Oxford?
Oxford University.
College or university?
University.
University.
The school. The university.
University.
That's right. The oldest university in English-speaking world and the most prestigious university on earth. But Oxford is not just about university.
Coming from the United States, if something's 200 years old, it's really old. And here, 200 years is nothing, and you just really get to see that just walking down any street in Oxford.
The architecture is very nice, I think. A lot of different styles and from different centuries. Picture of the city and the sides, it's really cool.
Really beautiful architecture, and I was kind of surprised at how busy it was, like how many people there were, because the architecture of the cobble streets kind of makes it feel countryside-like, but it's really, really busy and it's really pretty, yeah.
Beside education, Oxford is known for its car production, publishing, science and brewing.
This is the city of English history and society, and the most important, home of over 180,000 people. Oxford was never about just a university, but when we don't know the facts, we like to guess things and make our own perception based on our emotions and information. Not for the places only, but everything else.
Like countries, societies, cultures, religions, ethnicity, sexuality, and many more.
But be careful, because in this big reality of life, small wrong perception could lead into a dangerous conclusion. Until the next one, have a great day from Oxford.